Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nurrahmatu Faiza. I am student from UIN Kiai Haji Ahmad Siddiq Jember, Fakultas Tarbiyah Ilmu Keguruan, English Education 3. And in here, I will explain about morphophonemic. Okay, for the first, I will explain about definition of morphophonemic or morphophonology. Morphophonology, also morphophonemics, is a branch of linguistics that studies the interaction between morphological and phonological or phonetic process. Its chief focus in the sound change that take place in morphemes when they combine to form words. Morphophonological analysis often involves an attempt to give a series of formal rules that successfully predict the regular sound changes occurring in the morphemes of a given language. Such a series of rules convert a theoretical underlying representation into a surface form that is actually heard. The units of which the underlying representation of morphemes are composed are sometimes called morphophonemes. The surface form produced by the morphophonological rules may consist of phonemes, which are then subject to ordinary phonological rules to produce speech, sound, or phones, or else morphological analysis may bypass the phoneme stage and produce the phones itself. Okay, next is morphophonemic studies about morphophonology. Also, morphophonemics is a branch of linguistics which studies first the phonological structure or morphemes, second the combinatory phonic modification or morphemes which happens when they are combined. Third is the alternative series, which serve a morphological function. Okay, next is morphophonemes and morphophonological rules. When morphemes combine, they influence each other's sound structure, whether analyzed at phonetic or phonemic level, resulting in different variant pronunciation for the same morpheme. Morphophonology attempts to analyze this process. A language's morphological structure is generally described with a series of rules which ideally can predict every morphological alternation that takes place in the language. The next example of morphophonemic. Examples of morphophonological alternatives in English include this distinction. The first is plurals es and s, as in buses versus buns. Plural of f is fast, as in leaf and leaves. Different pronunciation for the past tense marker ed. An example of morphophonological alternation in English is provided by the plural phonemes written as s or as. Its pronunciation varies among s, z, and th, as in cats, dogs, and horse, respectively. A purely phonological analysis would most likely assign to these three endings the phonemic representation s, z, and th. On a morphological level, however, they may all be considered to be forms of underlying object z, which is in morphophoneme realized as one of the phonemic form s, z, and th. The different form it takes are dependent on the segment at the end of the morpheme to which it attached. The dependencies are described by morphological rules. The behavior of the English past tense ending "ed" is similar. It can be pronounced d and th, as in hope, bobbed, and ate. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.